If you're looking for a budget-friendly blender that delivers reliable everyday performance, the Buchymix Blender is one appliance worth considering. Designed for home kitchens, it can blend fruits, vegetables, smoothies, soups, sauces, pepper mixes, and many other recipes with ease. Depending on the motor and motor power, it can also crush as unprocessed tougher ingredients, making it a versatile addition to your kitchen. One of the standout features of the Buchymix Blender is its powerful motor. It provides enough strength to blend ingredients quickly and consistently, producing smooth results in a short time. Whether you're making a refreshing fruit smoothie, creamy milkshake, tomato puree, or spicy pepper mix, the blender handles daily food preparation efficiently while saving time and effort. The stainless steel blades are sharp, durable, and designed to maintain their cutting performance after repeated use. Combined with the large blending jar, they make it easy to prepare generous portions for individuals or families. Most Buchymix models also include multiple speed settings and a pause function, allowing you to control the texture of your recipes, from chunky salsa to silky smooth soups. Another advantage is its user-friendly design. The controls are simple to understand, making the blender suitable for beginners and experienced cooks alike. Cleaning is convenient because the removable jar and blades can be washed quickly after each use, helping maintain hygiene with minimal effort. Like many affordable blenders, the Buchymix produces noticeable noise when operating at high speed. It is also better suited for household use than continuous commercial operation. Overall, the Buchymix Blender offers excellent value by combining dependable power, durable blades, easy operation, and practical capacity. Buchymix is a smart choice. Like, comment, and subscribe for more honest kitchen appliance reviews today.